My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Cracking YouTube, it's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below, and it's somewhere on the screen. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. Alright, sneaker review number 3. Unos, dos, tres. Yes. If you have not already, go check out my Air Jordan 4 Craft sneaker review, which will be up there, right there, or up there. But I think it's right there. I don't know. After that, or before that, go check out my women's Air Jordan 2 Low UNC to Chicago sneaker review. That's up there right there. Go check out both of them. They was both recorded today also because I went to the mall and just went crazy. Picked up 3 pickups. So go check them both out right there. Let's get straight into it. Love this box. And it's the funny thing about this is this color is I'm coaching a girls basketball team at a rec center. Shout out to my Sparks. But now we call the Wildcats because now it's the best girls from every team at the park into one. I will be coaching them. I think we're gonna call ourselves the Wildcats. Our colors are burgundy, this color. So that's dope because I'm about to go get a shirt made of this color. So I just thought that was a little tidbit I'd throw up in there. So wasn't even supposed to get this shoe. Didn't even know about this shoe until I was driving to the mall and I saw it on Nike, but I was like, I'm gonna save some money. Then I got the Foot Locker, I had a discount, so I was like, let me get this shit. So alright, right up tight, see the burgundy box. You see little designs right there, hopefully you can see that going around the box. So I like when they give us little special boxes. This is a women's exclusive. It's women's Air Jordan 1 Mid SE, stands for special edition. Color is Team Red, University Red Sale. Every shoe that I have done today has had sale in it. So they're really kind of like going overboard with the sale colorway. Size 10, which is the equivalent of an 8.5. Suggested retail price, $135. Off the top of my brain, I'm gonna go 135, 130, 135. I'm gonna say 135. Size 10, like I said, 8.5 equivalent, so you know what that means. Personal pair, no reseller here. Straight off the back, excuse me. You get a little card. It's right here. Before I show y'all the shoe. Boom. You get this little card. I like that. You get this little card. Oh man, I'm sorry. I gotta go to the actual information. Okay, you get this little card. It's dope, and it says, got like a poem or something like that. She grew unscathed, lifted by her surroundings. The vibrant petals sit calmly on the surface, a beauty born on stagnant lakes, a flower that rose to shine. She evolves gracefully, supported by strong roots that want to see her win. All things are possible because she, like the lotus, rises in all of her glory. That was deep. Wow, that was like a poem by Maya Angelou. Is it Maya Angelou or Mia Angelou? It's Maya, right? It's Maya. I hear people say other things. It's Maya Angelou, right? Anyway. Alright, so that was deep. Well, yeah, got a little poem right there on the back. So, alright, without further ado, I love this. I love the smell of new shoes. Woo! Love it, love it, love it, love it. Anyway, without further ado, we got the, what are these called? These are, yeah, I know, that's what I kind of figured. We got the women's Air Jordan 1 Mid Tiki Leaf. Boom. All right. Like I said, Tiki Leaf. So the design's right there, which I'm guessing on the box too. It's like a leaf. leaf right there, but we'll get to that in a second. Got some information off of sneakernews.com. Shout out to sneakernews.com. It reads, over the past several decades, the Air Jordan line has struck a healthy balance between heritage and experimental designs. Recently, it outfitted the often ridiculed Air Jordan 1 Mid in a Tiki leaf inspired ensemble. Now, they said often ridiculed because for some reason, sneakerheads don't like Air Jordan 1 Mids. Can I drop y'all a little knowledge right now? Jordan didn't ball in the Air Jordan 1 highs when they first came out. They was Air Jordan 1 Mids. So if y'all want to say that these are fake Air Jordan 1s, you're wrong. Because the mids are actually the original Air Jordan 1s. Just to give you a little tidbit right there, just so y'all can know y'all little knowledge. Anyway, alright. The upcoming retro indulges in a vibrant arrangement that features leaf shapes throughout the heel and collar areas. Suede and leather constructed appear from the forefoot to the midfoot with profile swooshes, abandoning that traditional construction in favor of a stitch built that falls in line with some of the brand's celebrity makeups. Lasting midsoles indulge in an aging look that give the modern Air Jordan 1 vintage flair. Okay, and the retail was $135. There we go. Alright, so right off back, I'm just gonna go with what I don't like about this shoe. From a distance, what does this look like? What color does this look? From a distance, Michelle, what color does it look?
What,
the side panel.
like a white.
Exactly. Now let me get closer. That's not white. That's gray. Yes, it is. Look at it. Catch you off guard, right? So, right off back, what I don't like gray. This is gray. See, the toe box is gray. If this was white or sail, this shoe would be a 10 for me. Like, flat out. Nah, I give it a 9. Because I'm not really a fan of design. I like designs on it. I like these designs. But I wouldn't give a shoe with designs a 10. You feel me? Like, I want more of a, because I feel like with designs, you have to really match it with your outfit. Maybe a designer shirt or something like that. You can't really rock a plain white tee or plain black tee, plain red tee, because it's not really going to make the designs pop. That's just my opinion. Now, I love the sail laces. And I love the sail out a midsole right there. I love that. I love that. The sail tongue. I just don't know why they did gray. It looks white though, don't it? But it's gray. This is a gray. It's a light gray, but it is gray. I love the burgundy. Burgundy is in my top 3 favorite colors. Burgundy, teal, pink. So teal is my number 1. Actually, burgundy's number 2, pink number 3. That's my top. So I love the burgundy. This back right here where the leaf designs are, that's not burgundy. That's like a reddish color. That's a bright red. Got the burgundy outer sole right there. I like the shoe though. I will say this. I saw it in store. Like I said, I only got this because I was able to use a discount. If I was not able to use a discount, I probably wouldn't have got this. Because this went from $135 to, my receipt right here, $94. Yeah. That is why I got this shoe, because that's, I didn't want to pay. This is a good shoe. It's a good shoe. Is it going to sit? Yes. 1, because y'all sneakerheads think this is a fake Jordan 1. And 2, I just don't really see nobody really buying this shoe like that. The Nike swoosh got a little crease in it, if you can tell. Kind of don't like that either. But I'm picking. But y'all see that little crease right there? There's a crease in a Nike swoosh where it kind of makes it look like it's 2 Nike swooshes. So, I mean, 1 to 10. Uh, 7.5, 8? 7.5. The gray just throws me off. Michelle, what you gonna get? 1
Yeah, I picked the 8.
Oh, you gonna get it?
I could have sworn I thought it was white.
Oh, you thought it was white, right? When I first saw it, I thought it was white too. And when I was in store at the Foot Locker, the guy who brought it out to me, he was like, and I was telling the cashier, like, this is gray. The dude who brought it out overheard me saying it. And he was like, wait, that's gray? And I was like, look at it. And he was like, wow, it's gray. Like, it looked from a distance, it looked white. Yeah. But it's gray. It's gray. But you do like the shoe.
Yeah, I like it.
You like the shoe. You like the design.
Mm-hmm.
It's a good shoe. Lotus. I like the little poem. they did in there. Very, very spiritual. But yeah, Mache gonna go 8. I'm gonna go 7.5. Either way, it's a good shoe. Y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all think about the Air Jordan women's Air Jordan 1 mid. What was it? Tiki leaf? Yeah, Tiki leaf. Yeah, Tiki leaf. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my Instagram, my sneaker Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Go check out my last 2 sneaker reviews, which one video should pop up right now for my last one. Go check that out. And as always, from me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, represent Tune's Kicks, the whole Tune squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.